Welcome back to the channel. Wanted to start off showing you the car that the engine's going to come out of for the Mustang. This is a 2013 Camaro. It was flooded up to about this region here. She donated her body panels here to another Camaro build. Now she's going to donate her heart to the Mustang. So it's fitting to give it a moment of silence. And now on with the video.
All right, so here she is. It's been soaking over here with Marvel Mister Oil. She's still tight as a drum. We'll get her all apart, see what we got to do to knock pistons out of it, or whether it's still usable. I mean, I think it is what we got planned for it.
Yeah, with what we're
not a whole lot of things have to be good, so we'll get it apart. Hopefully, we got all the water out of it. It was pretty flooded. So get at it, and we'll see what's inside. This is a good intake. The LS3 intake. When I was building my truck, I had to. This intake was filled with water.
Oh, completely.
Open up the throttle body, it was poured out.
Yep.
So
It did.
we'll see what's underneath here. Now we'll get the same socket, these fuel rail nuts. Do.
Oh, uh-oh. Golly.
Some more water. Wow. Oh, it's in, look at it. Well, the valves are sealed. There's water still in the...
Wow. See over here how full the valleys are. Look at that.
We know those valves sealed. Holy moly. As long as it's been sitting over here. Oh, look at the gunk coming out of it.
We really thought that we had gotten a lot of it out. But
Yeah. Well, the water that's not in here is in the cylinders.
yeah.
So, holy moly.
If that's not the definition of underwater, I don't know what is. It is perfectly normal to see some fluids in your engine, but not that. Hey, I was going to use that.
Not anymore. We can leave it on the crank. We'll take the crank. Yep. I think engineers get together and they say, what's the worst place we can put stuff? So you start at the center and just work your way out. Oh, it's two now.
It ain't going to fall.
Let's roll this one up.
All right.
Ooh, I'm pouring it right in the motor. Yeah, she
Put off and see.
Just how nasty is she? Ugh.
Right down my pant leg.
Oh. Oh no, man, not that bad.
Not great, but not as bad as I actually anticipated it being when we...
I mean, it's all nasty.
I see your Marvel Mist oil down in there.
Yeah. The Marvel Mr. Oil did his job. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Actually, looks a little better than the other side. That one there is pretty rough. Valves don't look too hot there.
A little rusty.
But
all that stuff will get worked over.
Exactly.
It's not going to hurt anything. And any snails inside? Oh, there's some nasties.
yeah, definitely. Surprisingly, everything we've taken off, I haven't seen a lot of corrosion at all. A little milkshakey.
Little milkshakey, little bit.
I thought it would be a little worse, but
Oh, there's a cushion.
Yeah. She's a little on the rusty side.
A little rusty.
Little rusty. Get that ripe smell again. Yeah, she's tight.
Yeah, she's real tight.
She's tight. Well, water down there in
Oh yeah, look how much in
bottom.
there. Whew. Turn that over, that's gonna make a mess.
Well, we cracked those the rods, enough of them. Like we can get this one,
Yep.
and maybe that'll be release it enough that we can pry those back up.
Hopefully. So, I would try it. I think so. Nope. Not on that one.
crank? That one is at least?
Yeah, you can knock this one off.
Okay, man. That one coming out.
Maybe. Yep.
The more we can get off, the easier it is to get it.
Now let me grab the.
Yeah, all this stuff, this crank could be saved. It's just needs to be adapted.
Yep.
The other one right there. We're not gonna use it. She fell right out.
Ow.
Where'd that one?
Out.
Oh, look at them rings on that thing.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Wristband.
Looks a little rough, I'd say.
Little bit. Junk pile.
Yeah. She's still ain't able to turn 48.
It'll turn up. Just not easy. We got them all off, but.
Well, ooh,
I know.
that was worse than the other one.
Oh, God. I was trying to go. Then she quit.
Oh,
Ow!
told you, steel toe boots.
Oh, look at this rod.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Looks fine.
Lit up because of that. Because this has got to go. Yeah, this got to go. No doubt.
Say the crank looks better than I anticipated.
Yeah.
I thought for sure it would just be way worse. That's not good. This is it. This block is ready to go.
We should take it over there and put it Dave's.
We definitely need a pressure washer. Or I mean, put it in this parts cleaner.
Everything blowed apart. The block, the crank, all the pieces. More than likely, we're just going to use the heads, which are, I think, in pretty good shape, and the block. Maybe some other supporting pieces. We're going to throw this in the hot tank. We'll see how much cleaner it gets. And then we'll send her out to the machine shop. See what kind of shape they're in now. See what they look like after they're clean. Yeah, I think they look a little better.
Not bad. They look better than they went in.
Yeah. So here's all the parts after they've been through the hot tank. Most of the parts we'll end up using, or maybe not. We'll see whether the oil pan, everything works. We're definitely using the block and the heads. So it worked out pretty good. They smell a whole lot better than they did when we took them apart. And by the way, we name all our cars here, and this one is going to be named Sally. So if you watch this far, make sure you like and subscribe and ring the bell and comment. We appreciate all the help we can get, and thanks for watching.